Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And it's freezing cold out here, but it's Throwback Thursday. So I'm out here for my Throwback Thursday flight with arguably the best inverted flyer micro ever, the JJRC H22. Now this thing is really awesome. Using all stock accessories, like using the stock transmitter and all, I think the absolute best is the Eachine H8 3D, and the JJRC H22 is actually the same quad, same protocol and all. I think it came out of the same factory. It has the same board almost. The H8 3D has a extra part on the board, and I think that's what makes it fly the way it does. The reason why I thought that the H8 3D was a little better is because the yaw seemed like it was matched up perfectly with the pitch and the aileron. With the pitch and the aileron seemed like it matched up really nice with the yaw on the H8 3D. The yaw wasn't too fast. On this one, they made the yaw a little too fast. Really fast yaw on this one, but this one looks a lot cooler. A whole lot better than the H8 3D, and they even went as far as to make a inverted design for the bottom, so it looks cool on the bottom too when it's upside down. The H8 3D didn't do that, and this one is better colors. Red and black, you guys know that's my favorite colors. And so when you flip this guy over, it looks like that. So still looks like an awesome craft, even has the eyes on it. Check it out. So awesome looking craft, upside down and right side up. And with deviation, you can slow down the yaw. So I adjusted the yaw on deviation, and you can make it the speed that you want it to be, and it still flies really nice and all. It actually flies better than the H8 3D when you use deviation or multi-protocol transmitter, because you can put the yaw to what you want it to be and match it up perfectly. And so a very deep pitch on it and all, just like the H8 3D from Eachine. So this JJRC H22 is currently the #1 inverted flyer in my book. It does everything. It has the what I call 3D headless mode, where you flip it over. If you end up this way or whatnot, the back will be the front still. If you end up this way, the back will be the front. If you somehow end up with that facing that way, it does full flips and all. It's just a really awesome little quad. It's really cold out here, and I think that's going to affect the flight time of the battery. So let's hurry up and get it in the air before the battery gets too cold and we don't have a good time with this thing. Let's get it in the air. Okay, so it's up in the air. Let's try to invert it. So now it's upside down. Check it out. Let's look at the yaw. So the yaw is a little faster when it's upside down. This is right side up. Oh, it's not that much faster. I guess deviation might have fixed that as well. It's a really awesome flyer. I did set up the switches so that I can do full flips too. So let's check that out. Hit that switch there. And now we're doing full flips. Check it out. Sheesh, it looks like this battery is getting weaker already. This thing will stop flipping once we get it once we get it to LVC, it'll stop flipping. So let me try to do as many flips as I can. Let's get back to the half flips. Okay, we're back to the half flips. Check it out. Oh, the pitch is deeper when it's upside down. Check it out. Hopefully you guys can see it. Let me bring it in closer. So really awesome that this thing can fly on both sides, and it almost does it seamlessly when you're flying. Just takes a quick second. You know, you gotta do one of those right side up, you know. We got an excited dog out here. Check the dog out, y'all. He don't even see the drone. He's just happy to be in the leaves. Yeah, he didn't pay the drone no mind. Now this is what I was talking about with the 3D mode. So the rear is the front now. Check it out. The 3D headless mode. I flip it back over. Now the front is where it's supposed to be. Flip it sideways and we're back going forward on the right side up. It's fast too. Awesome flyer. Even if this thing didn't flip upside down, it would be awesome. Flying just right side up. But it does flip upside down. I actually have two of these. One of them I cut the prop guards off of it. Because the prop guards are meant to stay on because it allows for you to land upside down. But me just being me, I don't like prop guards, so I took the prop guards off of one of them and then realized that it's probably better to keep the prop guards on it, and I had to cut them, so I just got another one. Oh, we're going down. Sheesh. And I think the battery is getting a little weak. Couldn't stop itself from going down just now. So we're going to do a couple more passes and then we're going to pack it in. Yeah, it's definitely getting weaker. Let's bring it in. I don't want it to fall. See if we still can flip. Yep, still can flip. Get our flipping out of our system. Oh, it's going down. Won't let me flip it either. Maybe I can flip it manually to get it right side up. Oh, went back over still. Let's try it again. Gotta flip it a little just to get it over right side up. Couldn't do it. And it couldn't recover from that free fall there, so I just cut the throttle. Make sure when you're going down with these quads that you cut throttle. If you know you're going to have an impact, try to cut throttle because that saves your motors. I hear a lot of people asking me questions about the motors, about me swapping motors out and stuff, and I hardly ever have to. I guess because of that reflex of turning the throttle off, making sure you cut throttle before impact, if you're going to crash into something or you're going down to hit the ground, any impact, just make sure you cut throttle before the impact. Best you can. I know everybody's reflexes are different, but that saves your motors. So awesome inverted flyer. In my opinion, this is the best inverted flyer. Too bad that you can't get it anymore. JJRC H22. Really awesome. They just don't make them like these anymore. Thanks for watching.